Big smile.
Aww. Oi.
Oi.
Wanna say hi?
Give him a big smile. Come on, big smile.
Come on. Oi. Oi. Oh.
Oh, what's that? Oh, oh, look at those teeth. That's why people don't come to our house, huh? It's because of you we have no friends. You gotta stop eating humans.
Good girl. Good girl. Look dirty girl. You need a bath. You need a bath.
Bit of lipstick.
You need a bath.
Bit of makeup, bit of foundation, a bit of makeup there, bit of the eyebrow, get the eyebrow thing going.
So we are inside now. She's afraid with rain and thunder. Look at that, she's trembling. Aww. Poor girl. Good girl. Good girl. She hates rain and thunder. Viewers girl, thanks for watching. Bye.